Take a ride in the 2023 CR-V Hybrid. The Honda CR-V Hybrid offers a powertrain with plenty of energy, a cabin with plenty of room, and a ride with plenty of comfort. This is all in addition to the fact it's a hybrid vehicle and the additional efficiency that it offers, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, regenerative braking system, traction control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.